In today's video, I've got 55 creative sewing project ideas that can help turn your passion into profit. Whether you're looking for a fun side hustle or want to elevate your hobby into something more lucrative, these projects are perfect for stitching up extra income. From beginner-friendly designs to more advanced creations, there's something here for every sewing enthusiast. Let's go. 1. Custom tote bags. Practical yet stylish, tote bags are always in demand. Create them in various sizes, patterns, and fabrics, offering everything from eco-friendly shopping bags to chic, personalized totes that suit different lifestyles. 2. Baby blankets. Soft, cozy, and always a favorite, baby blankets are a fantastic option. You can experiment with different fabrics, embroidery designs, and personal touches that make them ideal gifts for new parents. 3. Scarves. Scarves can be sewn from various fabrics, like lightweight cotton for summer or cozy wool blends for winter. You can offer different styles such as infinity scarves, fringed, or embroidered options. 4. Aprons. Whether for the kitchen, crafting, or gardening, aprons are versatile and easy to make. You can design functional yet fashionable aprons that cater to home chefs, artists, and more. 5. Pillow covers. From bold patterns to minimalist designs, pillow covers are a quick and creative sewing project. You can offer seasonal collections or custom designs to fit different home decor styles. 6. Quilts. Quilting can be a more advanced sewing project, but it's also a rewarding one. Handmade quilts are treasured for their uniqueness and craftsmanship, making them a premium product that people are willing to pay more for. 7. Sleep mask. Comfortable and functional, sleep masks are a great product for frequent travelers or anyone wanting better sleep. You can use luxurious fabrics like silk for a high-end feel or soft cotton for everyday use, adding fun prints or calming colors. 8. Hair accessories. Hair accessories are small, easy to make, and popular across all age groups. Scrunches, headbands, and even fabric hair ties can be customized with trendy fabrics, making them fun and fashionable. 9. Custom pet clothing. If you love pets as much as you love sewing, this is a niche that's growing fast. Custom pet clothing, from cute sweaters to practical raincoats, can appeal to pet owners looking to pamper their furry friends. 10. Table runners. For those who enjoy home decor, creating beautiful table runners and placemats is a great option. You can design seasonal collections or offer personalized pieces for special occasions. 11. Fabric baskets. Fabric baskets are both functional and decorative, perfect for organizing small items or adding a stylish touch to any room. They can be made in various sizes and patterns to fit different needs. 12. Cloth napkins. Sustainable living is on the rise, and cloth napkins are a simple but effective way for people to reduce waste. Offer them in sets with customizable designs that match your customer's table decor. 13. Hand-embroidered patches. For a truly unique offering, you can create hand-embroidered patches that customers can attach to their clothing, bags, or jackets. Personalized or custom designs can make this a standout product. 14. Kids clothing. From adorable dresses to practical pants, kids clothing is always in demand. You can focus on unique designs or even offer custom sizing to cater to growing families looking for something special. 15. Fabric wall art. Fabric wall art is a great way to showcase your creativity. You can use different textures, embroidery, and quilting techniques to create one-of-a-kind pieces that serve as eye-catching home decor. 16. Handcrafted purse. A handcrafted purse is a beautiful and functional accessory that can be tailored to any style. With endless options for fabric choices, patterns, and personalized details like embroidery or unique closures. 17. Laptop sleeves. With the rise of remote work and digital nomads, stylish and protective laptop sleeves are a popular product. You can create them in various sizes to fit different devices. 18. Reusable snack bags. Eco-friendly and practical, these reusable snack bags help reduce single-use plastics and can be made in fun patterns or food-safe fabrics. 19. Weighted eye pillows. Weighted eye pillows filled with lavender or flaxseed can provide a calming effect. These are ideal for those practicing meditation, yoga, or simply looking for a soothing way to unwind after a long day. 20. Book covers. Custom fabric book covers can protect books while adding a personal touch. They make great gifts for avid readers and students. 21. Pot holders. Functional and simple to make, pot holders are a great way to use up scrap fabric while offering something every kitchen needs. 22. Baby bibs. Cute, functional, and easy to sew, baby bibs are always a favorite among parents. You can add fun patterns, waterproof backing, or personalized embroidery. 23. Cloth diapers. Sustainable, reusable cloth diapers are in high demand among eco-conscious parents. They can be made in various sizes with adjustable snaps or Velcro. 24. Makeup brush holders. Roll-up makeup brush holders are perfect for makeup lovers who want to keep their tools organized. You can design them with compartments for different brush sizes. 25. Dog bandanas. Simple but adorable, dog bandanas are a popular accessory for pet owners. You can offer them in different sizes and seasonal designs. 26. Fabric keychains. Easy to sew and customizable. Fabric keychains are a fun project that you can personalize with initials, favorite patterns, or cute designs. 27. Sunglass cases. Stylish and protective, fabric sunglass cases can be a hit during summer months. Add padding or a soft interior fabric to keep glasses scratch-free. 28. Camera straps. For photography enthusiasts, custom camera straps are a great niche product. You can offer padded options with unique fabrics that suit different styles. 29. Hanging dream catcher. A hanging dream catcher offers a unique blend of art and tradition, perfect for adding a personal touch to home decor. Customize with intricate patterns, vibrant threads, and feathers to create stunning, handcrafted pieces that attract attention and resonate with bohemian-style lovers. 30. Stuffed toys. Handmade stuffed animals or plush toys are always a hit with children and adults. You can create unique characters or custom requests. 31. Baby shoes. Soft baby shoes made from fabric are adorable and comfortable for little ones. These can be personalized with cute patterns and embroidered details. 32. Oven mitts. Functional yet fun, oven mitts are always in demand for home cooks. You can offer matching sets with aprons or pot holders for added appeal. 33. Yoga mat bags. Yoga mat bags are a great accessory for fitness enthusiasts. You can design them with adjustable straps and pockets for water bottles or towels. 34. Fabric planters. A modern take on plant decor. Fabric planters are lightweight and stylish, perfect for indoor plants. You can offer them in different sizes to fit various plant pots. 35. Holiday stockings. Seasonal products like Christmas stockings are always popular around the holidays. Customize them with names, colors, or special fabrics to make them stand out. 36. Cloth pads. These are an eco-friendly alternative to disposable menstrual products, offering comfort, sustainability, and reusability. Made from soft, absorbent fabrics. 37. Knitted doll. Brings imagination to life with its handcrafted charm, offering endless possibilities for customization. From personalized outfits to intricate detailing, each doll becomes a one-of-a-kind creation, perfect for gifting or as a treasured keepsake. 38. Cosmetic bags. Larger than zipper pouches, cosmetic bags can be used to store makeup, toiletries, or travel essentials. Offering water-resistant or easy-to-clean fabrics can add value. 39. Fabric coasters. Fabric coasters are simple yet practical. You can make them in sets with matching napkins or table runners to offer as home decor packages. 40. Reusable bowl covers. Fabric bowl covers are an excellent alternative to plastic wrap. Designed with elastic edges, they can be made in various sizes to fit different bowls, keeping food fresh while reducing waste. 41. Custom fabric phone cases. Offer personalized phone cases made from durable fabrics. With fun prints, pockets for cards, and a secure fit, these cases can appeal to customers looking for a unique, handmade alternative to mass-produced phone covers. Thanks for watching. I hope these sewing project ideas spark some inspiration for your next venture. If you're ready to turn your creativity into cash, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and ideas. See you in the next video.